Do you want to level up your website design with smooth UI components, cool animations, and ready-to-use code? Well, here are 5 amazing websites every web developer should know, and they're all completely free.
Woo!
Let's start.
The first one is Yverse IO, a goldmine for ready-to-use UI components like buttons, cards, toggles, and loaders. Everything here is shared by developers and comes with animations and modern styling. You just pick what you need, copy the HTML and CSS, and drop it into your website. It's that easy. You can preview each component, customize light or dark mode, and even sort by tags. If you want fast and stylish UI without coding from scratch, Yverse.io is a total time saver. The second one is Animista, a powerful CSS animation generator. Just pick an animation like slide in, fade out, flip, or bounce, tweak the settings like delay or speed, and copy the code. It's perfect for giving life to your elements, buttons, text, or entire sections. No JavaScript, no extra libraries. Just pure CSS animations that work everywhere. If your website feels static, Animista is the tool to make it move. The third one is W3 Schools, one of the top websites for coding. It helps you learn variety of coding language like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, PHP, and many more. You can get tutorial for almost every problem you have. Just select the topic on the left, and you will get the working examples based on that. And copy the code and click Try It Yourself to use it. There are lots of tutorials on even small topics, so you can check them out yourselves. The fourth one is Neumorphism.io, a niche but amazing tool for generating soft, 3D style UI designs. You can adjust light, shadow, blur, and color using sliders, and it instantly gives you the CSS code. Whether you're designing a soft-looking button or a modern card layout, this site helps you get that smooth, subtle depth with zero effort. And the fifth one is CodePen, a playground for front-end developers. People from all over the world share mini projects here called pens using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You can search anything, like animated buttons, loaders, text effects, and see it in action instantly. Just tweak the code live in your browser, copy what you like, and apply it to your own site. It's a perfect place for inspiration, learning, and finding real working code that adds a wow factor to your design. That's it for today. Which of these sites are you going to try first, or do you have a secret tool we should all know about? Tell me in the comments. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.